Hey there, adventure friends.
Today we're going to National Parque Cajas.
Parque Nacional Cajas.
Something like that. We're going to Cajas.
We're going to the box. Caja is box in Spanish, so I'm curious to see what all this is about. Supposedly there are several hundred lakes up through there.
Yeah, and giant hummingbirds.
Yeah, so all the different fauna, all the different what is it?
Mosses,
and stuff,
yeah. Because we're gonna be up like 14,000 something feet, so we're gonna be in like a mossy, cloudy environment. It's gonna be really cool.
Should be pretty sweet. Let's go check it out. So far, the ride has been wonderful.
Yeah, bouncing around in the back of the bus.
Back at the bus.
Yeah.
Back at the bus. We're heading to Parque Nacional Cajas, and it is beautiful.
Yeah, the view has been amazing. The mountains are tremendous. They're so big. It's really cool. Really, really cool. I can't wait to get on foot and start walking through Parque.
Yeah, so this ride was only about an hour on the bus, heading from Cuenca. It's about northwest or so of Cuenca, and the bus has been very comfortable so far.
Yeah, I would take this type of transit other places in Ecuador for sure.
Yeah. Back on the road. We have just arrived. They dropped us off on the side of the road.
Yeah.
In a proper place to drop people off, I guess, for these parts.
I guess the trailhead starts there, so.
Yeah. So we just now started the trail, and how appropriate, but right here, look at that, Camino de Garcia. Can you believe that?
Moreno,
yeah, because I've got, I'm brunette, so claro, moreno. Yeah, so
we're here.
this is totally cool. Yeah. So we just saw on the sign that they only allow 92 people per day maximum on the trails here at Parque Nacional Cajas.
I wonder what the logic behind the 92 and not 100.
Yeah, solid hundo.
That's perfect.
I bombed it.
Photo bomb.
I bombed it.
Photo bomb
Did she
level
get it?
10 of 10.
I hope it was on live too. Did I get it? Wow! Look at this. This is amazing. See this? We've walked maybe 100 meters. Every spot is a vista point.
This trail is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
The mountains are cascading above us. We're about, what were it, 14,000 feet?
Something like that.
Something like that. We've gone about 0.4 miles. Says the little run app or whatever. Let's see what the terrain has been pretty nice. Oh, we're at 12,860 feet. Look at that. Which is not too bad. So a lot of this so far has been these planks that we walked on, but we just got off the planks and now we're just like this right here. Now we're off-roading it. Now it's getting really cool, isn't it? Look at that. Ah, you're freaking rocking it, babe.
There's some big steps for these little legs.
Oh, you're freaking rocking it. You're doing a great job.
Darn tootin'. It's a good one.
My hair look good?
Oh my gosh, look who we found on the trail.
Oh my God, it's insane.
This is wild. Okay, so if anyone here, let me get kind of here. If anyone here has actually been following Be Adventure Partners, you're gonna recognize that dude and that chica right there from Ciudad Perdida. Check out this right here. You can watch all the videos. It's gonna show up right now.
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure.
We have seriously stepped right into one of Dr. Seuss's books.
Yeah.
This place is absolutely magical. The trees are twisting all over the place, and it's like we're in like a little marsh area slash tree forest.
Cool. Nature is good.
Whew.
Good job, mother.
Good job, mother.
Take my time. I want you, but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop. I'll never stop.
Oh my gosh, what'd y'all find?
Cave. Cueva.
Found the cueva. Mira.
The cueva.
Are y'all going in it?
No.
No?
It looks like, it's like, just like, I don't know.
Go for swimming there.
Doesn't make sense to go in.
Are you pure
Can we get a cool selfie
I am.
in here?
This would actually make a really...
Hanging off the tree.
Throughout Cajas National Park, there are hundreds of these little ponds, little bitty lakes and little lagoons all throughout. It's absolutely gorgeous. In between all of them, there's little bitty streams that connect them all in this beautiful ecosystem. So most of the ground so far that has been like this soft, like peat moss sort of thing going on, and it's actually very cushy to walk on. This trail is absolutely beautiful. I think it's really cool that it's not like super developed, and the grasses are growing over the sides. It shows that they really do enforce only the limited number of people to come here every single day.
That's really smart. I think that it's cool because, like, as a business, to be like, okay, we have this beautiful natural resource, we want to share it with the world,
Yeah.
but we don't want to destroy it and deplete it. I think that that's really, really cool. And a lot of tourist attractions get so bombarded with people because somebody who decided to start a business on that attraction just like let so many people in, and that ruins places, right?
Yeah, yeah. So this is a really, really cool experience, and
Super special.
we've seen a few people on the trail today, but it's really, really quiet out here and super, super tranquilo.
Muy tranquilo. It's beautiful.
The altitude is definitely definitely getting it. We've only gotten just over 2 miles over the last 3 hours. It's a slow climb. A lot of really cool plants. Love how the terrain has been changing. Right now we're on a rocky area. We were just in marshes, and while we were doing that, I sunk down to my ankle and on my left foot, so I got a pretty good soaking.
I saw it happen.
What did it look
You
like?
gave me some splashback. Not much so. How my new shoes.
Yeah.
This is really gorgeous though. We get to watch family of alpacas, or not alpacas. I don't know, whatever that animal is.
There might be alpacas, llamas, or whatever the third one is.
Their sibling.
Yeah,
We got
camel
to see
cousins.
them. Yeah, we got to see them up close. That was cool.
One thing I like about this trail is it's well marked. Even though there aren't many people traveling the trail, they've got these markers every so often, and you can tell where the trail is. It's not like it just disappears. There's a faint sign, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Continuing the climb uphill. Oh my gosh, how much fun has this been?
It's been so awesome.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Great experience.
Yeah, it's been so fun to hang out with friends. Brian and I are usually like lone wolves, and we're not lone wolves because we don't like people. We really love people, but honestly, it takes a lot of, I don't know, sifting and sorting to find people that you really want to hang out with. When you're a traveler, when you're traveling full time, you don't want to get wasted every night. You don't want to like go out on benders. Like, you want to hang out with people that like to do nature and, I don't know, actually experience a place instead of be hungover in a hammock all day. So I just want to
least
say
not every day.
thanks for
Not every day.
inviting us. This has been really cool.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you so
absolutely.
much for having us.
Yeah. If
Friend
you
Sarah's YouTube channel, she's doing yoga over there. We'll drop a link in the description below.
or you might click the card that shows up somewhere up here right about now.
And if you haven't yet, go ahead, click subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that we come out with fresh videos just for you.
Until next time,
bell.
friends,
Adventure on!
adventure on.
This guy leaving me in the dirt. Awkward moments, always. Tie my hair in a bow under my chin.
So one thing about this is there's a lot of really soft spots. Soft spots that feel all nice and cushy, and then all of a sudden it feels all gushy because it's completely saturated with water.
Just a little bit of squishy between the toes.
Yeah,
Yeah, we made it back.
I think we did. How wonderful is this? I wonder if they have coffee here.
They had like a little cafe, I think.
Ooh, we should see if they have some coffee. I had some coffee this morning, it was wonderful.
I just need some breath.
Yeah,
Catch my
completely
breath.
winded. We've been hiking for quite a while now. Let's see, check the little app here, and it says 3.43 miles. We've burned 739 calories.
Yeah.
I would say we probably burned more than that. And it's taken us about 3 hours and 38 minutes.
This thing doesn't know the mountains we climbed today.
No, it doesn't. It would be nice if it did though. If there is an app for that, that would be really cool. Maybe there is.
Like Mountaineer.
Yeah.
Put me in the back.